Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update. Today, Thursday, the 28th day of November 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Police rescue kidnapped victims in Anambra, arrest 4 suspects. Medical outreach. Unconscious patients recover after Abia government's intervention. Enugu orders. Peter Mba sets ambitious targets with a record 971 billion naira budget. Ebonyi Nwifuru elevates 3 special assistants to acting commissioners. Ray Sociedad. Boss blast Igor Avon for fielding injured Sadiq against Rwanda. Trump taps